Welcome to Spectrum Control's video on maintenance and diagnostics of the Universal Industrial Gateway. We will be covering operations, security, diagnostics, user, and logs. Let's begin by selecting the operations icon. There are 6 available operations. Reboot will restart the gateway. Update firmware allows the user to update the system software. The firmware version is shown here. Backup will create a downloadable copy of the configuration of the gateway. Reset to default configuration will reset the gateway to its factory configuration, removing all user-entered data. Upgrade protocols provides users the option to install additional protocols on the gateway. Restore allows the user to load a backup file onto the gateway. Next, select the security icon. Most installations of the gateway will be connected to a local area network rather than the internet. Users are provided with the following network security options: blacklist, whitelist, allow ping, and several firewall configurations. Next, select the diagnostics icon. This screen is divided into 2 panels, Resources and Trace Manager. The Resources panel graphically illustrates available memory, flash memory, and CPU load. The Trace Manager panel provides a method to capture inbound and outbound traffic from devices configured on the Universal Industrial Gateway for debugging purposes. To create a trace, click the Add button. Name the trace, specify the capture time span, and the input and output devices which may be connected either through a serial port or by an Ethernet connection. Returning to the dashboard, select the user icon. Here, you can change the password used to access the Universal Industrial Gateway and to protect against unauthorized access. Finally, the logs icon records events that occur during operation of the gateway. For additional information, please visit spectrumcontrols.com/gateway. Thank you for watching.